Hi everybody, welcome to Feral Africa, and today I just wanted to put together a quick tutorial to show you how you can create a sign-up form with MailerLite and how you can create a email sequence then to deliver your free gift that you decided that you wanted to give away. That could be an ebook or an email series. So just a disclaimer, our videos and our blog does contain affiliate links. Of course, this is at no extra cost to you if you decide to buy something, but it does help us to keep making more videos and more tutorials. So let's get started. Alright, so at the moment I am in my WordPress dashboard and I've gone to media and I've uploaded my free ebook that I want to give away. And if you go here at the bottom, you'll see file URL. This is the file that, or the URL that you need to copy. We're going to be using it later. The next thing you would do is then hop over to your MailerLite and you'd go to Forms. You'd click on that and you're going to create an embedded form. You can also do a pop-up or a promotion, but for this we'll just do an embedded form. Give your form a name. I'm going to just call it test 1, save and continue. The next step is important. You need to select the subscriber group that your emails will be saved to. So if you had some, you could choose there. Otherwise, you could then maybe add a new group. And I'm just going to say free ebook. And I'll just say test at the bottom, and I'm going to go create. And then, of course, save and continue. Just do that again. Let's say test to create. That's what I'm doing wrong. So you need to, once you've created it, you need to select it, and then you go save and continue. Okay, so it'll take you then to your screen so that you can design your sign-up form. If you go here and you go change, you'll see that there's 3 you can choose from. There's either default, horizontal, or card. I like card because you can add a little picture, which is a little bit better. So let's go and upload a picture. I have already uploaded one, so I'm just going to select and then it will go in there, and then over here you can go and edit. So let's just go say free ebook, and then you can just go and say sign up to get your free ebook. And then you would go save, and then don't forget there's a little success message once they've signed up, and then you can go and edit that as well. Just a quick note, you might want to have a double opt-in, and if you did that, then your message would be a little bit different. You might say, please confirm your email to get your free gift. Alright, save and next. Alright, the next thing you want to do, this is very important. At the bottom, they subscribe to groups. Just make sure that you've selected the correct subscriber list there, because if you didn't, it's going to mess up your automation later on. So just a little side note, just make sure that you've selected the correct subscriber group. Alright, so the next thing you want to make sure is that you've got your double opt-in clicked as on. This is important because if you've got any traffic from the EU, this is a requirement. So That's optional, but I would just make sure that it's on. And then of course you need to go and just design your confirmation email and then also your double opt-in thank you page. Now if they don't come, and if you've got this switched on and your subscribers doesn't confirm their email, then they're not going to receive their free gift. So I just want you to know that. Once you've done that, then we're going to create the automation email that is going to deliver the free gift to their inbox. So you would click on automation, create workflow. So you can create the workflow name there. I'm just going to say test 2. And then we're going to workflow trigger. You want to select when a subscriber joins a group and not when a subscriber completes a form. If they complete a form, then they're going to get that free gift automatically without having to confirm their email. So you definitely want to click this so that once they're on that list, then that email will go out with a free gift. And this is very important. Subscriber group, you need to select the subscriber group that you set up with when you created your form. So we did test 2, so just make sure that it's the same one. And then of course you can repeat the workflow for subscribers who rejoin the group. That's optional. We can just leave it off. You can just say save. All right, so we'll click on that and we're gonna go. The next thing that you want to do is once they've confirmed that they want to be on your list, you will then send them an email containing the free gift. So you'll choose email, and then this would be the subject. You're going to fill in the subject of the email. So you'll say your free gift, your free ebook. You can decide who you want it from, and then your email, and then we're going to go and design our email. All right, I have already created my own templates, but you could either go and pick one from a template gallery, or you could just go and create new. For this, we'll just go and drag and drop edit it. It's very easy to use, and we'll just quickly go and design an email there. So once that's loaded, you'll see that you can add your own logo. These blocks you can just simply drag and drop. So we'll just say, go to the heading and say your free ebook. And then you can have a little picture there. You can go change it to the cover of the ebook. And then you can say, you just type in whatever you like, and maybe at the bottom here you could have a little button that says download here. Now this is very important. If you don't do this correctly, they're not going to get their free ebook. At the bottom you'll see that there is a link. So what you would do is you would go back to your media library and you would go and copy this URL and you would go and paste it there. So if they open this email and they click on that button, it's going to take them to the page where your free gift is being stored on your website or your blog. And then you would go and click save. You'd say done editing. And that's it. If you had a 10-day course that you wanted to deliver every single day, then all you would do is just add on to this. So you would go click, you would maybe say, let's say you want your next email you wanted to deliver 1 day later or 1 week later. You would say wait 2 days, 1 day, whatever it is that you wanted to do. and then you would click that little plus sign, and then you would design your next email. And this is basically how you create your email sequence. All right, we'll just save that. All right, it's giving me incomplete steps. But anyway, you know how to do that. All right, now the next thing that you would do is you would go back to your forms and you would click on this Get Embed form. So you could either click this copy URL and have that in your blog. I don't know, maybe you wanted to just say click here to sign up, or you could go and embed your form and get the code and simply copy and paste this into your website where you want that form to appear. Very important, once you've copied and pasted that into your website, it's important that you test it. So let's go. So you would go to your new blog post. Let me quickly show you how you add that. Say post, add new. So I'm just going to go back over here to my code. I'm going to copy to clipboard. I'm going to go back into my WordPress, into my add new, and I just want to add custom HTML, and I will just paste my code there that I got from my MailerLite, and I would go and preview, and there it is. So I'm just going to go save draft. I'm going to go preview there. And then from here, you could just test it and see if your email is actually going onto your list. Well, I hope you found that useful. Thank you for watching, and if you like our tutorials, please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.